Naniniwala ang Malacanang na makakabawi ang gobyerno sa paglutas ng kahirapan sa bansa. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacerda, ito'y sa pamamagitan ng patuloy na pagsulong ng ekonomiya ng bansa. Tinaya ni Lacerda na bababa ang antas ng kahirapan sa ikalawang quarter ng taon. Ito'y matapos na maglaan ng pondo ang gobyerno para sa pagpapalakas ng sektor ng agrikultura na inaasahang lilikha ng karagdagang trabaho at oportunidad. Sinabi ni Lacerda na ang iba pang larangan na ispalakasin ng gobyerno ay ang turismo at programa sa infrastruktura.
On the third quarter of last year, we saw it grew from 0.7 to 4.1, and in the fourth quarter of 2012, it grew from 4.1 in the third to 4.7. What we're saying is that Secretary Balisacan is confident that numbers will improve if you conduct the survey on the second semester of 2012. Also, we have also seen a increased investment on the part of the private sector. We have also accelerated our disbursement program, and we have also identified sectors in the agricultural, areas in the agricultural sector where it needs to increase the productivity as well as the income of the farmers.